The 1inch wallet is a multi-chain DeFi wallet that allows you to access 1inch's decentralized exchange aggregator and manage your crypto assets. Here's how to use it. Download and set up. Install the 1inch wallet app from your device's app store. Create a new wallet or import an existing one using a recovery phrase. Back up your recovery phrase securely. Fund your wallet. Deposit cryptocurrency into your 1inch wallet. You can transfer tokens from another wallet or exchange, ensuring you have enough funds for swaps and gas fees. Connect to networks. The wallet supports multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. Switch networks within the wallet as needed. Use 1inch exchange. Open the swap tab to access the 1inch aggregator. Select the token you want to exchange and the token you want to receive. The wallet will find the best rates across various decentralized exchanges. Confirm the swap. Review the transaction details, including gas fees. Approve the transaction in the app, ensuring you have enough balance for fees. Manage your assets. Use the wallet to store, send, receive, or stake tokens across supported networks.